Walnuts contain 4 to 15 times more vitamin E than other nuts. Walnuts are an exceptionally nutritious snack you can eat during the day. Even science prove its impressive health benefits. According to a new study, walnuts can help you prevent heart disease. These certain nuts are among the healthiest foods you can eat, providing a good source of vitamin E, polyphenols, and omega-3 fatty acids. Research at the University of Scranton tested the concentration of free and total polyphenols among 9 different types of nuts. As a result, walnuts contained the highest levels of both polyphenol types and more vitamin E than other nuts. Moreover, these nuts have the power to improve vascular endothelial function, regulate lipid profiles and control blood pressure. Walnuts' omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts provide an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, an element present in omega-3 fatty acids vital for numerous body functions. Omega-3 fatty acids help prevent blood platelets while repairing cell membranes of the brain. Additionally, ALA reduces the risk of coronary heart disease. The human body is unable to synthesize omega-3 fatty acids on its own, therefore you should get these fats from your food. Additionally, walnuts can provide significant amounts of magnesium, phosphorus, copper, potassium, and zinc. Along with omega-3 fatty acids, they can become a real anti-cancer bomb, also can prevent autoimmune diseases. Eat walnuts raw, uncooked, or soaked. You need 7 walnuts a day to get the daily requirements for vitamin E, ALA, and minerals. Raw or roasted, you will always boost your health when consuming them. The presence of tannins can give nuts a bitter taste. These compounds protect walnuts from environmental hazards until the sprouting process. Additionally, you can soak nuts, just place them in water overnight and dissolve the enzyme inhibitors. Don't forget to throw away the brown water. Yet, be careful, high temperatures can destroy the antioxidants and nutrients in walnuts.